Divisibility by 19. Rule: a number is divisible by 19 if twice the last digit plus the rest of number give a number divisible by 19. For example, 513 is divisible by 19 as 2 times 3 plus 51 is equal to 57, which is a multiple of 19 as 57 divided by 19 is equal to 3. On the other hand, 1734 is not divisible by 19, as 2 times 4 plus 173 is equal to 181, which is not divisible by 19. The calculator gives 513 divided by 19 is equal to 27, and 1734 divided by 19 is equal to 91.263. Results that confirm the accuracy of our solution. That is all for lesson 1.6.18. To continue this tutorial, please watch 1.6.19, Divisibility by 19. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.